My name's Ivan Hewlett. I'm the founder and chairman of Riverside Miniature Railway, which has been formed here in Riverside Park, ST.NEOTS. We're an all-voluntary community miniature railway project. We're inclusive and sustainable, and we invite anybody to come and get involved. We want to offer a fantastic railway facility for the people of ST.NEOTS and the wider surrounds, as well as being somewhere where people can come and get involved and have an interesting hobby as well. The railway is occupying a piece of ground that was formerly a pitch and putt course until about 15 years ago, when it became redundant and overgrown. And 18 months ago we got planning permission to construct a railway. So everything you see here today has been developed by volunteers in their free time in the past 18 months. And today, 19th of May 2018, is our formal grand opening day. We've got visiting locomotives from across the country, steam and diesel, in both 7 1/4 and 5-inch gauges. And as you can see, we've got a massive amount of people over here interested in the hobby and also coming for rides. So we hope it's going to be a great success.